Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make another seaweed salad. This seaweed is grown in Bali and they are plant this seaweed in Serangan Island and we call it bulung gadang. Another name of this seaweed is Glaciria seaweed. And I'm going to, for the dressing, I'm going to put soy sauce, salty soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seed, dry chili flake, Japanese rice vinegar, and sugar. This recipe inspired by the Chuka Wakame, one of the very famous Japanese seaweed salad. So let's start. I'm going to wash this seaweed for 10 times to get rid of the smell. I will be back after I wash it. Bye bye, see you soon. Hello, I'm back and this is the seaweed after I washed 10 times and now we're going to boil them. So just put enough water to cover the seaweed and we're going to boil them for 10 minutes. And here I'm using about 1.5 liter of water. The water is ready. Now we're going to boil the seaweed for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, so now the seaweed is ready. I'm going to put the seaweed into the ice water. So after this, we need to squeeze the seaweed to get rid of as much as water as possible. So now we're going to prepare the dressing and I'm going to put 2.5 tablespoons of Japanese rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salty soy sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Gonna mix it. And now we're going to plate it. Put your seaweed first and the dressing on the top. A pinch of dry chili flake. And sesame seed for garnish. Here we are, seaweed salad with Japanese dressing. Thank you very much for watching. And please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.